Hi, so I'm just setting up my deep clean bath for my fibers. I'm going to use my thermometer, my candy thermometer, and whoa, I'm getting a little steamy here. I'm also boiling some water because my water does not go to 140. As you can see, I'm getting a little steamed. Anyway, so I'm going to put this back. I'm going to add some boiling water to this to go to 140. And then I'm going to put I've got quite a bit of water in here, so I'm going to use my Orange Blossom Washing Up Liquid. And I am going to put all my mitts in right now and get them all tuned up. So we will come back when we've got them all soaked up. All right, so let's see our results here. Just gonna move you in so you can just see how dirty this actually water really got. So that's all dirt and grease that was trapped in these fibers. And so now I'm going to put them right in a washing machine and give them a good wash on a hot wash. And then we're going to brush them out to finish up the total refresher. All right.